Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flowers out of balloons. Today, we'll be making a sunflower. While we're making a sunflower today, you could also use this tutorial to make any type of wildflowers by changing the colors of the balloons that you use. The tools you're going to need for this tutorial are 7 to 10 5-inch balloons, one 12-inch balloon, a balloon hand pump, and then some balloon glue dots. Now that we have all of our tools ready, let's get on with the tutorial. First, we're going to blow up the 12-inch balloon and tie it off, as well as blowing up all of the 5-inch balloons and tying them off. These balloons are going to be the petals of our sunflower, and to get that petal shape, you're going to push into the balloon so the top pops out a little bit. Our next step is attaching the petals to our 12-inch balloon. Grab your glue dots and place the dot on top of the balloon. Now attach the side with the glue dot onto the 12-inch balloon. And then you're going to repeat this process until your 12-inch balloon is covered in petals. This video helpful, and if you end up making your own sunflower, make sure you take a picture or a video, post it and tag us so we can see your recreations. And remember, you don't have to use yellow and brown to make a sunflower. You can use any colors to make any type of wildflower you want. That's all for now. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, but also comment down below what you guys want to see next from us. Bye!